Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only gets so complicated. You lose your mind just to change it, and tomorrow you'll regret it. But until the morning, dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let this old record play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby. Dance with me and let this old record play. Let's talk about. Let's talk about. Let's talk about. One more time and one more night without your hands, without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you how deep is my love. Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, where do you wanna see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, what do you love? Let's talk about. Let's talk about. Talk about love. Let's talk about. Love. Let's talk about. I'm gonna be better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better. Let's talk about. Let's talk about. Let's talk about.
Alright. Officially, we can go live on TikTok as well today. So, but I'm not live yet because it's using a different software and it's so dumb, man. I can't even like use the same camera that we are using in the mainstream as well. I have to use like a different webcam for that, and it's like so low quality for that. Look at this, man. What? I can't even use my main cam because this is like a different software. And I have to, because it's a different software and we can't have the same camera occupied in multiple software. And now I have like 3 different software to like stream into like 3 different platforms. And I have OBS here as well. This is so insane, man. I don't understand why TikTok forces us to do this. But we're gonna go live on TikTok as well. Let's do that. Okay. This will be the first ever stream on TikTok. And I don't know how this will go. But I need to fulfill this, like, there is like a, I don't know what it was this, man. I don't know what's up with TikTok, man. I need to fulfill like this 25 minutes for free streams kind of thing. And then the way TikTok works is, if people just scroll past and then like there'll be a lot of people that join. So it's just a lot of random people that come across the stream. And nobody stays, of course. But I can't find the requirement for like 3 streams anymore. I don't even remember, man. Ah, I know. The requirement was to change this into a virtual camera, which I'm using here as what I'm using for OBS here, through my Melt Studio that I have my main setup here, proxy through a virtual camera into an OBS setup so that I can stream to Twitch and Kick. I can't do that on TikTok because I have to do like, I don't know why this whole thing is like a fucking battle pass like that. I have to do it such that I fulfill certain criteria and then I unlock the next stage. It's like this whole thing is like a fucking battle pass or some shit. So, if I remember correctly, yeah, I need to go live 3 times 25 minutes each. And it's gonna take 2 days to validate whether that's correct or not. So I'm gonna stream for 25 minutes here. And then I'll start the next stream again. Hopefully we can fulfill 3 different streams in just one sitting today. And I don't know what's up with TikTok, man. I applied for the TikTok live access for like 50 times already. There was a button in TikTok that there's a notification that keeps coming in and keeps asking me to like apply for TikTok live access. And then it's like, I keep applying and then it doesn't give me the access, which is what the fuck, man. Why do you keep asking me to apply when I can't even, you are not even giving me the access to that? And then finally, yesterday, randomly, I just got it. Like after the stream, I just got access to it. So we're gonna stream on TikTok as well. Hey, Luan, thanks, man. Yeah. I don't know what's up, man. Our main stream is on Twitch and YouTube. Like, this is not even the main camera. Like, I have a different setup on YouTube, but because I have to fulfill like the 25 minutes on TikTok, so I can't do anything about this whole setup here. Yeah, it's pretty cozy, man. TikTok is good. Okay. So if you want to check out my main stream, it's actually on YouTube and Twitch. But how do I even add the link here, man? Like, the way TikTok works is so dumb, man. Like, I have to do this setup with like the official app of TikTok's Live Studio for this to work. And then I have to do 3 streams, 25 minutes each on this shitty webcam setup while I'm streaming on Twitch and YouTube as well. And then once that's done, I can unlock the virtual camera so that I can have a better camera setup on TikTok. So I have to do this for 3 streams in one sitting. Basically, I would do it today, and hopefully they'll validate it as soon as possible. I'm doing like a vibe coding kind of thing. So I don't even know like where do I put the links and stuff on TikTok, man. It's I'm building like things on stream. So this is my 14th day of streaming on YouTube and Twitch already, but TikTok I finally got access. Like after like it has pestering me for like so many days, and it's asking me like please go and apply for live access, like people want to see more, and then I go click apply blah, blah, blah. And then I don't, they just keep rejecting. I'm not even over exaggerating when I say that I applied for TikTok live access for almost 50 times, and this is already like after 50 times that I got that access, and then this is the setup I have on TikTok. So I'm gonna go with this for just 3 streams. 25 minutes will be just around 1.5 hours, and then once that's done, we will have it up with like the proper setup on TikTok, like through the stream key as well. I can't even use a stream key through TikTok as well because you need to join an agency to do that. It's so dumb, man. I don't know why they do this. And then it says like I have only 14 days of access to live TikTok. I didn't think that going live on TikTok was so hard. Let me put the link somewhere if I can do that. Yeah, I really have no idea how to do this, man. Yeah, okay. I can add a text. Okay. Alright, I'll just put this link. What? It auto changes into... Oh, alright. I'm 26, man. Okay, I'm gonna put this. But the font is like so weird. What the fuck? How do I even change it to... Okay, this is weird. I feel like doing it on TikTok feels like a more random kind of thing as compared to doing like on Twitch and stuff. Oh my god. It reset the font. Wait, how do I do this? Yeah. How do I even do this? Okay. Enter. I can't even do that. Enter. Semicolon. Wait, where did the background go? Huh? Okay. 100%. Okay. This is the correct link to like my other Twitch streams and YouTube streams. While I'm not gonna be focusing on the TikTok chat. I'm just gonna, hey P-Man, what's up, man? I'm just gonna focus on like my Twitch and I don't know, man. It just feels like TikTok is a very random, like the way people scroll past and stuff like that. It's like so random and many people just join here and there. Wait, what? I don't understand why do I have like 144 likes now on this live? Huh? How does this even work? And what is like the numbers like beside the level as well? Oh, what is the gifter level? I really have no idea how this works, man. But I really just want to get this shit over with so that I can use like my actual stream. How do I even do that? Window capture. Is that it? Ah, so you can add scenes as well. Ah, this is like unusable, honestly. Ah, okay. Wait, what? What is this? What the heck? What's this, man? And the chat like scrolls very fast as well. Like I'm just seeing like random people joining and I can't follow what's going on, man. How do I even do this? A general? Oh, a chat. Okay, these are just basically templates then. Okay. This one is fine. But I kind of want a Man. How do I go do a... What? I can't even do a display capture on TikTok because I have to fulfill the 3 live streams. Okay. I really don't understand what's up with TikTok, man. Come on. It's like a fucking battle pass to get this to work. Oh my god. How about, let me just do a post on this. I think I can do a window capture. So let me do that. Okay. It's not even the correct window though. Ah, okay. So it's this one. And how do I do this? I don't know why my recent TikTok videos have like 0 views, man. Like, can you guys even see like the recent videos? Like, it's all 0 views. I don't know what's up with that. Let me just check my... Okay, I really have no idea how we can do this, man. Like, the chat is all over the place. And then I have like 3 different setups of like different streams. This is like the 5th platform that we are streaming on. And it's like, hey, Luan, thanks for the rose, man. What's a rose for? What's a rose even for, actually? Okay. How do I do this? Is it this one? Okay. Okay. So I can do this then. Okay, okay. I can do this. And... I mean... Can we just delete this, man? I don't need this either. Is there no way to crop it at all? There's actually no way to crop it. Ah, there is a way to crop it. Okay, okay. I'm just gonna crop it then. Okay. Well, this seems like very... This is so made up, man. Look at the difference from my actual stream versus like the one on TikTok. Okay. I'm gonna put a... Wait, it's not even visible on TikTok because it's only a window capture. Okay, I'll do that. Let me put on X. This whole shit is happening here. And then there was the other one as well to unlock a virtual camera. What was that again? Okay, this one as well. Alright. The other one was like a... What was the other one again? Why does the app not even work, man? Wait, how do I even... How do I even open the... Is it Live Center? Wait, I remember there was like a... I think it was like in here. Live access. Expires in 14 days. This is crazy, man. Okay, I'm just gonna do this for 25 minutes and then we'll start a new stream again on TikTok. So that we can fulfill like the 25 minutes for free streams. And then that'll be it. So let me just put it on... Let me put it here. Wait, it says no audio detected. What? This is mad, man. I really don't know how this shit works. Okay. And the chat is like scrolling so fast, I can't see anything. There's 8 comments, but I don't see any of the other comments at all. And there's 144 likes. What? Okay. I'm gonna put back at my normal stream chat, and we'll have this running as well. And the problem with this is that I can't switch scenes and stuff if I don't have like the... Let me just delete like the other things as well. But it's like a hassle to like switch scenes in like this one. Okay, can I even delete this one? Okay. Alright. Yeah. This is a mess, man. Man. And you need to join a live agency to get a stream key. This is insane, man. Okay, let me put it on threads as well. Okay, I still have the images here. I'm just gonna do that. This one. This one. Alright. I'm not sure if going live will help my post or not, because it's been shadow banned for so long. It's really still all zero, man. It's so fucked. Is there no way around this? Alright. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And I'm just gonna leave it, man. Alright. I've updated the photo on all the platforms as well. So I don't know why the YouTube one doesn't update here, but it's updated here and then inside as well. The quality is way better on like Twitch, man. Like the webcam quality is crazy different. But I'm not sure if I can... I can't do that as well. I thought I could maybe do something like a proxy through NVIDIA broadcast as well, but then again, I can't use any virtual cameras. Holy shit. So let me just do this and then I'll end the stream after 25 minutes. And then that'll be that. Okay. Let me look at the stream setup here. Alright. Okay. So I've been trying to port over whatever we have done in 10 stack into Next.js as well to see if we can get that to work. And hopefully we will get that to work because I'm so sick of 10 stack, man. Like the way it's so hard to debug whatever is happening in 10 stack. So once that's done, we will see. It's trying to debug like... It has already come up like the pull request and everything. And I've did this using like the batch command, which is so cool. This one is like some sort of like a spec-driven development kind of command built into Cloud Code, and I didn't even know that. And it will just run like multiple agents in parallel to build something that you need, or basically what I did was actually to port everything over. And I can't even show that on TikTok, man. Because it's so, like, the setup is so different. I really need like a stream key to like stream properly on TikTok. So it's trying to run the build and then make sure that everything is working fine, but it has been doing this for like how long already? 43 minutes. And I took like the whole night yesterday. I think the batch command was like running for like 3 hours or something, and then everything just crashed. Like VS Code itself just crashed, which was fucking crazy. And I was trying to integrate like a deeper integration into the thumbnail maker as well. I'm just gonna put it back. I'm just gonna commit that, and then I'm trying to have an upscale feature as well. Let me just do that. It will just do some research on the upscaling feature. I'm not sure what model is good for this because I only know the image removal models, and then I know the only good upscale thing I know is... Actually, I can close this already. What is that called? Actually, the text isn't here actually. Let me put it here. Can I not even copy it over? Ah, okay. Alright. Let's go, man. So the only one that I know is Upskill. Upskill.org. Is it this one? Nah, man, it's not. Wait, is it even this one? Wait, it is this one. What? They even have like a clock plan now. Okay. I wonder what model they use though. What model do they use for this? Oh, okay. Wait, is it actually muted? Wait. It's actually muted on TikTok? No way, right? I see like the audio moving though. No way I'm actually muted. No way, man. I'm definitely not muted. But I can actually see like the things on TikTok chat in here as well. So I think I'll just use that. But I'm just kind of worried, like I'm juggling between like two different setups here. Let me just put it side by side. Okay. What's the... And like the... Can I even... Okay. I can do music as well. Man, I really want to get out of this and get a stream key, but I don't know if I can apply it on this agency here. I'm just gonna see after 25 minutes and then I'll just end the stream there. And then we'll try to get a stream key so that we can do this properly instead. With like the proper Twitch and the YouTube setup. Because this whole thing is so cooked. Okay, I'm not sure what model do they use for this. But it seems like it's definitely a local model. Wait, it has already done that. Okay. Real Earth Garden, okay. Is what they use. Okay. A sidecar binary. Okay. Upscaling on layer, create a new layer. Yeah, we should create a new layer instead. So just go ahead and make this work. And then once done, launch a Opus agent and verify the work until no issues left. Okay. Okay. We'll just let that run. Meanwhile, I'll figure out why... Okay, I'll just let this run as well. Meanwhile, we're already approaching 25 minutes. That's crazy. Once that's done, I'll try to apply for access using the agency method. And then I'll get a stream key from there and then we will stream on TikTok as well. And then that'll be it. It's so fucked, man. Like, because like my main stream is actually like showing my VS Code and stuff, but then it's like I have to juggle between like so many different softwares now. OBS, Melt Studio, and TikTok Live. Everything is all over the place because TikTok Live just wouldn't give me access to like stream keys and stuff, and like even the virtual camera. I think as soon as we get a stream key, that will be it, man. We don't even have to touch Live Studio anymore. It's so ridiculous, man. Okay, hopefully this will work. And we already have a short form video for today. And I haven't figured out what video we can get for... What is the video that we want to do for the long form today? Maybe I'll try something... I don't know, man. Let me see. Some of the video ideas I had is pretty good, but I don't have like the motivation to do it now. So I thought it would be better if we just postpone that and do something else instead. And then a lot of the things will follow through next time as well. Hey Bree, thanks for the follow, man, on TikTok. I'm not muted, right? There's no way I'm muted. Alright. I really don't know what to do with TikTok, man. Like, with like the 0 views and stuff, there is literally nothing I can do about that. This is kind of crazy. Okay, I think we can end it soon. And then I will just leave it there. And then the camera will be way better than this, man. Look how horrible that is compared to like my actual stream here. Oh my god, it's not even showing. Wait, what? Wait, it's not even showing on like Twitch or anything. Oh, it is showing. Okay. The quality is like so much difference. Okay, I'll end the stream on TikTok and then we'll try and apply access for that. Alright. To renew the access, you need to go live for more than 25 minutes at least 2 times. Okay. Okay. So that's how it went. We got 2 new followers and 1 gift, but I'm not sure what's the gift for actually. I really have no idea how TikTok works. But I'm just gonna, from here, I'm gonna try apply for access to I'm gonna apply access for the agency and then we'll see how that goes. Okay, let me try apply access for that. Oh, we also hit the sub goal as well. That's insane. Okay. Blah. Okay. Let me apply again. Okay. It says that we have applied. So let me refresh it then. Huh? I've gone live though. What? Okay, I'll wait another 30 minutes now. I don't know why the check also needs 30 minutes for that. Yeah, it's another 30 minutes. Oh my god. And I don't know how this works as well, but like through Restream, I cannot get like the access to TikTok. There's like so many ways of like getting access to TikTok as well. Like, oh, holy shit. This is another one, man. Alright. We're gonna go live again on TikTok and then we're gonna fulfill that another 25 minutes and then we'll do that. If we don't go live for like 14 days in a row, then we'll stop getting access to it or something. This is like a whole battle pass, man. Okay, it still expires in 14 days until I do 2 more streams in... I need to do 2 more streams for 25 minutes each to do that. And then I need to get verified for the agency as well for this to work. So once this is done, then that will be it. Yeah. Alright. Okay. How do I... Okay, I don't know if like the chat will like disconnect or not. Okay, let me just try this. Does it even send to the TikTok chat? No, it doesn't even do that, man. I think it got like connected to like the previous stream or something. It's crazy. Okay. Okay, it's sent to everything except TikTok. Man, the quality is so bad. Like, I'm actually ashamed that we are actually doing this, but I'm forced to do this because there is no other way around it. Okay. We'll do another 25 minutes, and then once that's done, by then I think the access should be done properly, I think. And that should be it. That should be it. Okay. Alright. I guess I can close this. Alright. Hey. Well. Let me just terminate this. Okay. Alright. It should be way better after we get the proper access. But then I think we'll stream. I don't know if from Melt Studio I can stream or is no. Oh, I can actually do that. Okay. No, well, then we will stream on landscape mode then, and rather than having portrait, because it's a bit weird that the whole screen is not exactly visible. Then it's a bit hard to do that. So I'll just do that. Alright. I really don't have anything else planned today, except for to really get this shit done. So let me just put the link from yesterday into what? The link yesterday was here. Alright. Alright, I'll put that in the Notion as well. Alright. Okay. So this will be it. Wait, yesterday was day. Okay, yesterday's one was 13. Okay. I thought I was tripping. But let me just do this. And then I'll have to put in day 12's one also, which is the wrong one already here. So we drop this. Okay. Alright. And okay. This is correct now. Ah, wait. Oh, it's actually like, okay. It's actually like this. What? It should be like this, and then like this, because we missed one here. I think I'll postpone this to like next week or something. Yeah, definitely that. Then this will be 15 for that. And oh right, we can maybe finish backstage and then we'll do a walkthrough on that. I think that would be good to do like a walkthrough video on whatever we've done on backstage. And then that'll be it for today's long form content. And I also want to publish a new issue on update night as well. And so once that's done, that will wrap up today, I guess. I thought that we have a lot of things planned, but then again, it's like I have a lot more ideas in my mind as well, but I just don't have the. I just dump everything on Telegram, and I just don't have it organized properly into Notion as well. So I guess we'll just slowly do it. But then again, it's like even if I dump it into Notion, everything is still very disorganized. Everything is like still everywhere. So it's still hard to like actually do it properly. Even if we organize it into Notion, I think the problem with Notion is that it's just too disorganized, man. I have so many ideas on YouTube here and the shorts as well. It's just so many. I think we have to do it one by one to really slowly clear all the videos here. This is like 1 year worth of ideas, man. And even the shorts one is like here. There's so many. I think the shorts one, I think it's fine. This will be like the next week's content. But for YouTube, I haven't exactly figured it out. And for what I've seen so far, looking at the past live streams that we missed, all of the unfinished items were all really like, okay, we technically done this already. And yeah, I actually haven't addressed like the update night thing as well. But definitely we can do that as well. I think, how about if we just do this? Day 14. I don't know what we're doing, man. Tying up loose ends. Trailer, and then we can do a update on 5-day challenge. Okay, that will be it. And then that's pretty much it. Actually. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna generate the issue on the, what is that? On update night. So I use the skill to generate it so that we will have an issue generated for each week automatically. That would be way easier than like manually filtering it through like so many of that week. And that just like clears up a lot of the overhead I have, and at least something is like automated somewhat. So what I do is I will just write generate, and then it will just generate a new issue here, and then I'll just dump it into Substack, and then that'll be it. Okay, I'll just leave it at this screen, I guess. I mean, I can technically do it like this. I'll just leave it at this screen, I guess. Holy shit, I can actually technically do it like that. Holy shit. Wait, I can technically just do it like that. Okay. Maybe we should do that. But like the audio doesn't actually exactly sync up. I can't add a... Can I add an audio source for this? But I need the audio to play though. That will be looping back in my actual stream like that. Okay. I'll just leave it like this. So that it's actually like showing something. While I'm not actually doing anything. Because I can't switch scenes like automatically on TikTok live studio, man. And I can't even do the display capture as well. That's the whole problem with TikTok. So... And I don't think TikTok has like a way to record, like do VODs and stuff, like how YouTube and Twitch does it. But I think like YouTube is the only platform that we can actually keep those VODs forever, which is like a good platform for us to keep all of those data. Wait, it's actually not moving. Okay, if it's not active, it doesn't like do anything. Damn. Okay. Okay. It says it has passed. Okay. Let's try it out then. Did you go to the pages itself to see if there's any error? Can you go do that for me as well? Alright. I'll let it do that. I don't think it did that, man. It just purely made sure that the build passed. That's it. Okay. There was also no like be right back screen on like TikTok or something. How does this even work? The problem is, maybe let me just add in the window capture for VS Code, and then that'll be good as well. Alright, that's it. Alright. So at least like we got things going. And how do we have like 10 likes on the... Huh? I don't understand. What's the likes for on TikTok Live? What's the likes for actually? Alright. So we'll just do this. This is already... I can't believe this is already the second one. And then we'll do the third one. And then hopefully we can get a stream key from there. that will be it. I was just doing this. Can I save it as a... I was just doing a new profile pic as well, and then it's wait. It's pretty nice for like the profile pic, and it's using it's using backstage as well, so that's pretty cool. Okay, I just hope that it doesn't leak anything, but by right it shouldn't, because it's already in the... Unless it like edits like the ENV and stuff, and then it will appear in like the changes here, which will be crazy if that actually happens. So right, I didn't even like change the stream title as well. I can't even like choose an image. Holy shit. Like everything is like feature locked, man. Okay, it's because I can't change it during live. Okay, I got it. How about I can't even do the actual like stream title here as well. Can I even do that? Okay. Okay. I guess this works. Well, it doesn't update until someone approves it. That's crazy, like the way how restrictive it is, and then that's causing like... Oh, so you can spam likes on TikTok. I didn't know that. That's the reason why we have so many likes then. Okay, okay. I didn't know that. Like each like actually like increases the count or something. But can you even see like the likes on, like the like count on TikTok actually, like the actual one? Or is it just a number here? How does it even work? Wait, it doesn't even show like we're live though. What? Or is it because we're on our own account? Yeah, I don't know what's up, man. Or should I go into TikTok Studio for this? TikTok Studio? How does this work again? Wait, I can't even see like the live stats from here though. What? Okay, how about we look at it from here? How was it like again? Ah, it's this one. Okay. Okay. Because the stream quality is so shit, that's like the whole reason why nobody's watching in the first place. Okay. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing I can do about that. Like, the whole problem is the fall of TikTok. Technically. Because the stream quality is so shit, I can't even like toggle between scenes and stuff here as well. Okay, it's like the same things I can see on... This will be the first ever stream on TikTok, and I don't know how this will go. But I need... Wait, what? There's like a weird border here. What? Okay. Well. Okay. It says that it's okay. Let's just try then. Okay. Let's just do that. And I don't know if that will work. This is like my first time running it. What? Okay, what's up with this? How did it even go through, man? The fuck? Okay. Put it in. And then I'll see how that is. But it doesn't say any error here though. It doesn't even say anything here. I really don't know what's up with this. Oh, another server is already running because it didn't kill like the previous one. Okay, okay. That was the whole issue then. I didn't see that. It was like one line or like 100 lines. Okay. This should work. And this is like a port of whatever we have done in 10sec into Next.js. I thought I crashed on TikTok or something. Okay, we are back. Alright, alright. How do I do this? Hopefully this will work. If it manages to get it in one shot, that'll be crazy though, because this is like a one shot port from 10sec to Next.js. It'll be actually crazy. Maybe we can do like a video on that. Holy shit, it actually works. Okay. Now it's in like pure Next.js now. Okay, okay. But I gotta look at like the other pages as well to make sure everything works. But it seems to be like a proper port so far. And I want to implement the intercepting routes as well for that to do its thing. It seems so good, man. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what port is the... I think it's on 3003 or something. Okay, it's not this one then. This is 10sec. Let's go to 3003 then. Wait, is it not? What port is the new next server running even on? Like, is it... Can you like override it into the package, the workspace package JSON so that we can launch it with bundev rather than like it's not included right now because it's running the 10sec version still. Okay, at least it like figure out like it should actually keep the old version and then use the new one here as a separate one for it to reference. That's actually good. Maybe I should do like a video on like I ported from 10sec start to Next.js in one command. That might be the video today. Okay. You can do highlights as well. But how do you even do that? Oh, we have to clip it manually then. Okay. Okay, it's added. So... What? Is it gonna run it then? Ah, it's here. It's here, it's here. It's on 3000. What? But the server is on 3000 as well. Why is the next dev on 3000 but the backend is already on 3000? Hey, Dark Glow, what's up, man? Next dev. Yeah, definitely. Oh, interesting. Okay. Wait, what do you mean? Like the lighting, is it? Is it because like it's not though. Is it because of the lighting or something? Like that? Yeah, that's way better, man. But it's like I feel like the just now one was better because it's not as well lit, and then it has like a dark tint to it. I think that looks a lot better. Wait, that looks normal now. What? This is cool. This is cool. Okay. Okay, let me just close that. I don't need that anymore. Can you check like the other things as well? Like we literally have 3001 on the back on the wait, that's not right. Wait. It's actually correct. If it doesn't run the old 10 stack one, I think it's correct. What's up with this, man? Like this thing like completely broke or something. Which one is it? It's not running on 3002. Okay. I guess that's fine. Okay. This should be correct now. And 3001. Okay. Yeah, this one is the Next.js. Like, you can actually see the Next.js stuff here. Okay. But like, the border isn't as good though. Like, some of the things are still broken as well. Like, the logo is also missing. What? Did you not port the logo over the favicons and all those things to Next.js as well to fit the Next.js setup? Okay. But like the border isn't as visible now. Can you also implement intercepting routes for the dialogues of the tools? Because on 10 stack it's actually when on click, it opens a dialog, but then they don't have intercepting routes, but Next.js can do that. So how about we just do that instead with the intercepting routes for like the tools page, the tool slug page. And then I don't know why the borders aren't as visible as the one that I had in the 10 stack version. And some of the very minor details like the tool slug page looks very different from whatever we have in the, I don't know, like the header and stuff. The buttons all look a bit just so slightly different from whatever we had in the 10 stack start version, man. Then why is it missing then? Why is the logo missing then? I don't understand. Wait, it's actually there. So why is it not showing then? Ah, now it's showing. Okay. Okay. It seems like a good port. I mean, we can kind of combine the videos that whatever we had. Alright, see ya, man. We can sort of like combine whatever we have done on like the update of whatever we have and then combine it with like what we're gonna do for like the border isn't as thick, I think. That's the issue here. And the hot button is gone as well. What? I don't see the hot button anymore, man. Yeah, and what? It's like a half-assed part, man. The buttons, the hot buttons and the thumbnail hover is also gone. Like it's not there anymore. And like the library page is also very different because the library page is supposed to mirror like whatever we have on like the home page with like the thumbnails and the designs, how everything is done. But it's using like a completely different design, man. Okay. It completely didn't port data grid over. What? And like, I think 10 stack start is still broken. I saw an error just now as well. It was like completely broken, man. I'm not sure if I should stick with Next.js or like really just roll back with 10 stack. But it seems like to be a good port so far. I think it's fine. I don't know, man. Okay, I see like some of the features are still there and stuff. But it's like, it's just ever so slightly different. I think we need to run an agent to verify the work of the UI, everything is there. How about we just do that? Okay, I'll end the stream on TikTok and then we'll restart a new one again. Alright. Then we'll go live again. This will be the day 14, I guess. Okay. Okay. Once this is done, I think we can unlock like the thing. Oh, I think it still needs to like validate as well. Oh. Okay. Batch. Run. Do a check that to make sure that the port from the 10 stack start version in apps/web is a direct complete port into Next.js in the web next folder. Okay, I'll let it do that. Meanwhile, how long is this gonna take? Okay, let me see if okay. I tried to apply it again, but it doesn't work. So it says that we already applied. And we already went live twice already, so that should count. Wait, I can't even open the settings. What? Okay. Wait, so I need like 500 followers for this then. We're basically fucked then. There's no way we can get a stream key for this. Yeah, we're basically fucked then. There's no way we can get it then. There's literally no way. I mean, I applied it through Restream as well, and they just don't want to give me the access for that. It's crazy how they can keep doing this. It's so crazy, man. I don't know what's wrong with my image as well. There's nothing wrong with it. Yeah. There's no way then. There's literally no way then to get this to work. I mean, it's literally like paywalled. We just switch back to this view then. I don't know why is it like rounded though. Why is it even rounded in the first place? Holy shit. A sheep? Ah, original. Okay. This seems right now. Okay, okay. Alright. Okay. See, there's a lot of difference. Let's do that then. Okay. I'll do that. And yesterday's video we got like what? How much was that? Like 1,000 views. That was insane. Seems without even 1,000 followers, but we need like 500 for this. What's the requirements? It doesn't say that you need 500 though. That's the insane part here. Okay. I realized I haven't switched back to like the correct scene, but it's not fixing it. So I hope that the port will be good, and then that'll be it. How about I make it into skill? Interview and I think I'm gonna make it into skill. That'll be insane, like to have it like actually work on like all the things. And like the security stuff as well. I think that's important. Okay. Wait, what? Okay, let me find the new photo that I had just now. And then I'll overwrite my Discord. Wait, you can... Wait, what? We can't even change the banner. Okay, let me copy my Telegram profile. And then I'll put it in Discord as well. And that'll be it. Let me turn back on. Okay. I'll leave it at that. And it's a high chance that we need 500 followers, man. There's no other way we can do this. Is there another one? It's weird though. Yeah, I really don't know like what else we can get into. Uh okay. Maybe I can make a skill on this. How do I do that? And I remember making like a skill for like the hardening of servers and stuff, but that wasn't like the before I reset the computer, which was pretty fucked. I should have just saved that, man. And maybe we can make a skill for that again. Okay, is this one done? But it's not even done. What? Okay, it's done. Alright. Let's publish the article. And what's... Yeah, everything is lagging again. I think it's because it's like running 18 agents at once. That's why it's lagging so much.
I'm here only because your stare won't ever let me go. I'm here only because I'm aware with you is better than all alone. Oh, say what you're dying to say. No, tonight we're stars, but we'll fade away. Go on and light me up, go on and light me up while we're golden. Come on and light me up, come on and light me up before we come down.
I'm gonna make a new repo, I guess. I think we'll make a new repo and then I will put it as skills. I don't know, like it could be like folders of different skills or so. I'll just make a new one. Will I log into this first? We'll make some useful skills that we can reuse, especially the one I just found. It's pretty useful. And maybe I can make that into a short video for next week instead. That will be good. Okay. Then I will git clone. I'll git clone this into my desktop. Okay. It has done the upscaling and stuff. This will be the repo. And we'll use that for Hey Scholar, what's up? Okay. It's an empty repository, that's right. And then let me open another folder. And then I will not use this anymore. I want to make a couple of useful skills as well. I had a couple of ideas. And I thought maybe this will be useful. Okay, new terminal. Wait, I didn't open the folder. Well, skills. Okay. All right. And we'll make it do the We'll start with like the verify skill first. I think that's very useful. I don't think anyone is using this yet. And then maybe you can make a video out of it. Like maybe 2 videos, one for like the verify skill, one for like the entire thing, and then we can do like individual videos as well. I think that'll be useful. Okay, since the upscaling is done, let's commit it and then we can close this. And maybe we can trigger a bomb the version miner. What's say hi actually? Oh, okay. Okay, this one is saying that it's all passed. I'll close that then to save up on the resources. I don't know why is this not committing. Okay. Let me change this to... How do I change this to the... Oh my god. Everything is lagging. Okay. I trust... Yes. Okay. Okay, can I change it? Alright. This one. Alright. So what is this? Okay. Can you make a Claude Code skill inside this repo? This repo is for skills. And I'm not sure if Codex has this feature as well, but this one is specifically for Claude Code. And I want this to be like a... I don't know what to call it yet, but I had in mind it's called verify skill. But I think it's not exactly that. But then again, this is like a wrapper around the useful commands that Claude Code already has. So the verify skill I don't know what better name you can give it. You can give me some ideas as well. It should receive a command, and then that will be the prompt. So verify, and then a prompt, and then it will execute an interview for any gaps or questions that the agent should ask the user, for any questions with regards to the prompt to make it better and to get some whatever thing. And then it should do an explore using multiple sub-agents on Sonnet to explore whatever is relevant. And then come out with a plan, switch to plan mode, and then use /model opus plan to use opus model to plan, which is the built-in cloud code one, /model opus plan. And then use opus to plan, and then we can either do it in using the batch command as well, with the cloud code batch command to execute the task in multiple agents. Either that, or we can just do it simply. I don't know how we should do that, or we should just fix it to using the batch command. And then once everything is done, we use a go command to keep launching opus verify agents to verify all of the issues is fixed, all of the features are implemented, everything is down, to actually going to the web pages and testing it, doing computer write testing and verifying all the linting actually passed, everything is there. And then we'll launch another agent using goal again to make sure it will launch more opus agents to verify the security of everything. Once that's done, I don't know what's the order of these three, by the way. We should do another goal with the simplify command to simplify all of the code. And then we should do it again to verify all of the work is done. So it's like a 4-step process where we verify first, and then we check the security, then we simplify, and then we verify again. I don't know how we can do this, maybe the order should be different. Or maybe we should simplify first or verify, I don't know, you should help me decide for that. Okay, let me end the live on TikTok. But I'm not sure if I can change to a virtual camera yet until it's verified or something. I think it needs to validate still. So I think I'll just end not stream on TikTok already until they actually give me access to the 48 hours one. Okay, we'll end the TikTok one and then we'll just leave it. And hopefully we'll get a stream key access, man. Okay. Okay. I think this is very useful to actually review the code and everything. This is like a complete workflow for this. And then I will just make a new post here. Let me do that. What? It's so small, what? Okay. Yeah, that's a nice image. And then I'll just screenshot everything like one by one. But it's It's honestly not that hard. And I'll just do this. Cursor 2.5. Wait, what? Why did I save that? Wait, what? Hey, David, what's up? Okay. By the way, this is my newsletter, so it's called updatenight.com. And I'll just send you like newsletters for like the useful stuff every week. So that's basically what this is. Huh. Railway. This one is okay. Nice. Thanks a lot, man. Okay, I'll just leave this one as... I think this one shouldn't have a link. Okay. Zero length. Okay. Visible, I guess. Okay. Man, the links are still not fixed, man. Okay. So I'll do this, and then I'll go here. I guess we can do this. Let's just copy this image. And I can put it here. Okay, okay. And then video use. Let me just copy this image then. Okay. And what did I miss? This one. This one. We'll use this image. Oh, I didn't know it's open source. Oh, right. It was on GitHub as well. I mean, Hugging Face. Wait, why can't I not paste this image? Huh? Okay. I guess we'll do this. We'll do this then. What? That didn't make any sense. Or should I open it in a new tab? Would that work? Okay. I think it's like a WebP or something. It's a PNG. What? Man. Okay. That worked. I don't know why copying it doesn't work. So this one, and this one. This one as well. Alright, alright. Looks fine, looks fine. So I'll ship this. And what is this? This one doesn't even make any sense. Okay, okay. Continue. And then I will look at the text for this. And put the text up as well. So anti-gravity, Gemini, plot, moonshot, ChatGPT. Composer. Composer. This one is wrong. Composer. Kimi. Moonshot is there. XAI. Ramp. Railway. GitHub. Singapore. AI. LM. Agents. Coding. Coding agents. Big tech. Developer tools. Open source. AI models. Infrastructure. Thanks, man. Nah. Mine is the Singapore residency, so I'm not going there. I mean, if I get into YC, then yeah. I think only YC will do it like at there, right? My one is in the Singapore one, so it's based here. I think they have like other regions as well, but I thought of getting Endler as well, but I didn't get the Singapore one. So I'm trying to apply the Korea one, and I don't know if I can get that or not. All right. I mean, they originated here, so I guess the actual block is like the origin, like where it is from, I guess. I mean, that's where the name came from, right? I think. Okay, I'll send it out. Ah, the subscribe button's okay. The article is out. Yeah, I mean, it should be literally block 71, I guess. Okay, that's out. And I was making a skill of this. Wait, that didn't do anything yet. The workflow is okay. Verify, security, simplify, verify. Simplify first, security after simplify. Interview, explore, plan, implement. Interview, explore, plan, implement. Verify. Okay. When you say the goal command, do you mean the... Yes, it's goal. For the batch execution, batch is batch command. I don't know how you do it. I think it's just a skill, so you just have to invoke it. I don't know how the commands work. I think it's just a skill or a plugin built into Claude Code, so you have to invoke it manually. I don't know how you can invoke that, but if you don't know how, then maybe search the web how you can invoke that. I'm pretty sure you can invoke it yourself, but I don't know how though. Oh, so you're from NUS then? Wait, what dinosaur are you talking about? So it's pretty new then. I didn't know, like, I don't know like the history behind it as well. I mean, I just applied it and I just got in, so. But they will provide some funding as well if we do show like progress. So I thought it's not as bad as I thought. And it'll be comparable to like something like YC. And then I don't have to be like somewhere else, like all the way in the US to do this, which is also a good thing because everything is here. But then again, it's like it's good to explore outside as well, but then it's kind of dangerous in the US as well. Ah, okay. So you're like one of the founders then, or an employee there? Okay. I don't know how is it though, but I think my batch will start in August. So okay. So how was it then? What's NOC? I mean, there are good and bad with VCs, but then again, if you're like really like you want to skill fast and then nah, I'm not, man. I'm from SIT and I just graduated like last month, more than a month ago. It was April 10th. So I decided to go into content, doing content, and I wanted to build startups and stuff because it's very hard to find jobs nowadays. So I really wanted to do this for the longest time, and I'm doing this now. So it's a lot more flexible where I can do whatever I want, and it's very flexible as compared to like having a job. Yeah, man, like it's tough because at the start you cannot see any meaningful progress, or like a lot of time it feels like I'm stuck. Yeah, definitely. I don't know a single person that's employed today from my batch actually. Other than the ones who are in SAF, the DIS division. And I don't think anyone else is employed. It's very tough to find a job, even if they're like, because computer science you can go in like different fields like security or like infra, DevOps, all those kind of things. And then I don't think anyone found any job in any of those areas. Okay, what should the skill be named? Okay. Abundant skill. Okay. Goal is a fast evaluator using... Oh, okay. It uses a haiku model to check whether the confirmation is met. The condition is met. Ship. I guess ship is good. We'll just go with ship then. Okay. Yeah, it's so tough, man. How old are you actually? I'm just 26 this year. I mean, we back then there wasn't like AI and stuff, so I thought it would be harder as a one person. If I were to do whatever I'm doing right now as one person, back in like 10 years or less than 10 years ago, I thought it would be harder. Ah, I see. Oh, damn. So are you like not employed or anything, or what? Because it's like afternoon now. Because nobody's watching my stream, like, because the timing I stream is like when everyone's working, so nobody's watching my stream at all. And I thought like I could do like a night stream some days, on some days, maybe alternate days, or like weekend streams and so on some weekends. Maybe that will fix my rate. Oh, so you gotta have like some savings at 40 then, because I thought like at that age you will have like a lot of responsibilities and stuff with like mortgage, I don't know, like a lot of things to pay for. Because what I'm doing now is still very flexible. I don't have to pay for a house or anything. I'm living off my savings to see how far I can do this and take this to where I can get maybe in 1 year's time. Yeah, that's the thing I'm worried about actually also. So I really want to try and get this as far as I can, to really live this life as long as possible. I really don't want to get back into a job, man. I really don't want to go back to a job. It's so ridiculous. Like I have to like be paid like to do something for someone, but then I'm like under control like for 9 hours a day, and if you plus like travels times and stuff, it's about minimum is 1 hour travel, so 2-way is already 2 hours, so it's a 9 plus 2, and it's 11 hours gone a day just to go to work. Okay, this one is done. Wait, how do people install this though? Can you add an installation guide into a readme or something like that? I'll add more skills as well. And I don't know, can you do some research whether Codex has support for this as well, if we can do the same thing like that? I think they have Go, but I don't know the batch, all those, I don't know how the Opus plan, all those, whether they have the same level of support in Codex. Yeah, for sure, man. Like, I really want to do it, but then it's a lot of procrastination. So definitely Block 71 will get me somewhere, and then I'll start joining events and stuff. And then once I built the project that I'll do it with Block 71, that will be the one that I'll actually focus on. Because right now I'm doing just random things here and there, just to build the content stuff and the brand first. Because I started from zero. So it's definitely, yeah, it's true, man. Yeah, I mean, everyone has access to AI now, so we are like supposed to do lesser things, but then it's like now everyone is doing more because we can do more now. So that now we are like working 24/7 because we're like phones, and then they can do like cloud agents. We can code anywhere now. So basically, we are working everywhere and anywhere, everywhere and anytime possible. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Like, I mean, this will be my first incubator, so I'm interested to see how is it like, and then I'll consider trying to join other ones as well. And definitely, I don't want to be stuck in the same phase as well. Yeah, I mean, it's hard, man. And like, I've been doing so much things also, but it's just that I don't get anywhere. Like, my TikTok is like shadow banned already. Like, I don't know what the fuck is going on with TikTok. All my recent videos, I think since 15 May, so it's about 6 to 8 videos right now, all have 0 views. Like, I'm completely dead to the algorithm, and there's nothing I can do about it. And from what I searched so far, it's like a bug with TikTok. And there's literally nothing I can do about it. Until they like somehow fix it miraculously one day, they decide to fix that. Other than that, I have no other way to revive my TikTok account if they don't fix that issue. And I've searched on Reddit and TikTok. A lot of people are having this issue like since last week as well. So I don't know if it's like a shadow ban or what. Because if the videos have 0 views, I realized like if you go to like the 3 dot and then you go to like the end of the menu, like it wouldn't have the button to add to story. So TikTok have this story feature as well. So you can add a post to story, but then that button will be missing. And all of the posts that have 0 views won't have that button at all. So it's just it's definitely a shadow ban, man. But I don't know how we can get around it as well. And it has been like from what I see from Reddit and TikTok, a lot of people have the same issue from a long time ago. But then I see posts from like last week as well. So I thought that the timeline kind of aligned. But then I see like people also have the same issue like from a while back. And then it's like, there's nothing I can do with the algorithm, man. Yeah, that's the problem, man. I mean, it's really nothing much I can do. I mean, I also started a newsletter and I tried to get like people to sign up. It's so hard. Wait, what? How does a shadow ban on Reddit work actually? Okay, how is it? Wait, does it say on... Okay, let me read it in. Yeah. Like, even I've been doing this for like 14 days already, yeah. Oh, okay, you're saying the Reddit one, okay. Huh, I didn't know that Reddit has the same thing as well. It's like, your account is fully usable, but then it's like completely dead like that. Like, that's the whole thing with shadow ban, and there's multiple theories on like how people fix it by stopping posting for like 2 weeks or something, and then it will just fix itself. But then I can't stop for like 2 weeks, so that will also make me wait 2 weeks to find out when that works out. And another one is to just keep posting every day. And another solution is to wait. I feel like I'm dropping frames like that. Another solution is to comment on other people's posts and then like posts, and then like they were saying like to signal the algorithm that it works, but then like those posts itself were like saying the same thing. to like get engagement from there. I don't really trust it, man. Can you create the codex port as well? Yeah, I think we need it to be skill MD instead, and then put it in like different folders, not just a cloud skill anymore. Why does it feel like it's not gonna port it to codex, man? Like, I literally told it to port it to codex, but it's not even doing it. Okay. And I just got access to like TikTok live as well, but then I went live for like 3 times just now in 25 minutes each to unlock like a battle pass kind of thing. Where was that post actually? Oh, this one. So there was like, I needed to go live 3 times with 25 minutes each to unlock a display capture to like show whatever is on my screen, but then I can do it window level without that. Yeah, this is so insane. I don't understand like why this is a thing. Like, there's like even a limited like 14-day access kind of thing. I don't understand what they are doing, man. Like, even unlocking virtual cameras, I also need to do that. And then I still cannot get access through Restream, but I can go live through like TikTok Studio. So this one I think is going to be like a stream key kind of thing. I also don't know how it works. I've been trying this to get it to work, but then I think it's still declined. Oh my god. I really don't understand how I can get access to this. Maybe I'm gonna try something different and put it on, use my Instagram instead. Since both my YouTube and Twitch is getting rejected, I'm just gonna try Instagram instead. How can I guess we can do it here. And then I tried the agency route as well, but it seems like I need 3,500 followers for this. It's so insane. Like, there's so many like things I have to do just to get live access on TikTok. I didn't know it would be this hard. And what was I doing again? This one. Okay. Let me put up the screenshots. Yeah. Even after 14 days of doing this, I do see like some progress and stuff, but then again, it's like it's very slow. Like, it's an actual full-time job to like do this like full-time to get like uploading every day and live streaming every day. It's so hard, man. Like, there's no way anyone can do this without like a full-time job already. There's no way to do like content full-time as a side hustle. It's hard. It's so hard even as a full-time, even as doing this as a full-time already. But definitely there's some growth, and I definitely do have a lot of infinite content ideas. So in that part, I can't lose in that sense, because I always have like ideas in my head, but I just can't like organize them properly. It's just all over the place. Okay, I submitted the Telegram one. I mean the Instagram one, so hopefully that will work. Okay. What? Okay, let me see how this one works. Yeah, definitely, man. I do hope that by next year we will have like at least something like from, I can look back 1 year before, and then I can see how much I've come in just 1 year. And definitely 1 year is a lot of progress if I can do it every day. And that's the bet I'm taking here. So definitely it's a long way, but 1 year is not that long also, because I just got my driving license last year, and then I am already going to not need the P plate anymore next month. Actually, it's so fast. Okay. Okay. Seems good. I'm gonna rename this to... Okay. Can we instead make the root level folders into like just the name of the skill, like ship, and then within it we will have like cloud subfolders and codec subfolders? I think that would be way better. I don't know if this will be compatible with skills SH or not. I think that's an issue here as well. Or should we just merge both into one to see like whatever they are? I think that might be better to merge both into one skill and then put like the main content up at the top, and then like the specific level, the specific agent level instructions below, so that the skill can be kept very simple and minimal and lean, and the repo will be way cleaner for adding more skills later. And I definitely need the support for skills SH, man. And so I don't know if you can do this as a Claude Code plugin as well. Can you like help me figure out how the marketplace, the Claude marketplace, all those, how is it set up, and the plugin installations as well? I think they are just skills as well. I think it's using the Claude folder for like the marketplace and stuff in Claude. I don't know if Codex has plugins though. But this will become more and more complicated. I really wanted this to be simple. Okay, it's done. Can you like merge everything then? Those that are not merged yet, and then verify that everything is done using an agent. I can't believe it's only been 2 hours though. I thought I've been streaming for a while today. But I really want to get this skill out shipped as well. So maybe I can do a video on this. Or I should do a video on the thumbnail maker. I think this will be more important. Because this one, the current one we are using is new. The other skill I had in mind was the ultimate vibe coding setup. Okay. I don't know what's happening here. But it seems pretty bad. Like the whole thing. It seems worse than before, man. This whole thing is way worse than before. And I realize it's when I run Claude that's breaking everything. Man. I really don't know what's up with this computer, man. Like, I literally already reset it. And it seems like running Claude Code is the one that's breaking my... completely breaking my PC, man. Holy shit. I don't know if it is the thing with Claude Code or what. Because I have nothing else running except like the streaming software and stuff as well. Let me just drop the stream on Twitch while I figure this out first. And then... okay. Okay. Wait. What? Oh. We're back. It was Claude Code, man. What? Okay, I don't know what's up, but after I close Claude Code, it seems fine now. Like, I mean VS Code. It's definitely Claude Code, man. It might be doing like too many at once or something. And that killed my SSD or something. I don't know if I should move like everything into like my hard drive instead. Because everything is right now is in my SSD for like all the code and stuff. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna move it into the second drive so that, yeah, man, like, I don't know, man. I can't even open Task Manager just now. But like the RAM seems to be fine. I'm like on a decent amount of it, like 32 gigs. But when that freezing happens, I literally can't open Task Manager. And opening Task Manager freezes it even more. So I had to close Task Manager instead. But when I closed VS Code and then everything is fixed. I don't think it's VS Code itself, but literally Claude Code itself. Because when I've been running since yesterday, like it has been crashing. Since I've been running like the batch command, like it spawns like 18 agents at once. So that might be one of the issues. But I'm gonna move it to a hard drive instead and see if this continues because it's literally unusable, man. Yeah, it's gonna take 1 hour to do that. So it feels like the IO is completely dead or something. Like I can't even copy it over. Let me launch an agent to copy it over without all the build stuff over. Using robocopy instead. That'll be way faster. Can you robocopy over all of my code folder, the entire code folder, excluding all of the node modules and the build, like Tori source dash Tori / target folders, like all the build stuff. I just want like the core of everything without all the installations and the node modules and the packages, everything to be copied over from the C drive to the D drive. Okay. Let me put up the stream back on Twitch. Wait. What? Okay, we're back on Twitch and Kick. Turbo, yeah. Okay. Because I don't think it can copy it over, I'll just use the command then. I'll just use the command myself. Because when it spawn agents, it doesn't like persist. So I'll just do that. Okay. I'll let it do that. Okay, that's pretty fast. And then it will start from... We'll open the folder from there instead. Hey Harry, what's up, man? I was streaming like the whole time, but like I froze, so like the stream just got restarted. So I don't exactly know what's the issue, but I think that because I'm running too many Claude agents at once on, and they are all like modifying the... Is it? Okay. Is there actually? Wait. Okay, let me see on... Or should I? Okay, let me try and see if I can. Okay, is this it? Is this better now? Hi. Is this better? I don't know. I can't really tell unless like I watch the stream myself. Because I think on YouTube should be fine. That's where the source is from. But on Twitch, I'm using like a... Has it always been like that though? Or is it just this stream? I haven't been checking like the replays on Twitch actually. That's so weird. Let me just test if there's any... Wait, it doesn't sound delayed though. Nah, man, this is a 27-inch. I have like 3 27-inch set up here. I used to use like the one behind. I used to use this as my primary monitor and it was pretty insane. Like my head has to keep moving around because it was so big and then like the table was so short. It was insane. I've been using that for like 3 years, 2-3 years. And that was like, because it was so big, I had to open all my windows like in a smaller size like that. This was like my setup in the 32-inch screen. It wasn't 30. How much was it? 43-inch actually. Like the TV behind is actually 43-inch. Is it actually delayed? But from what I see here, isn't though. Is it actually delayed? It doesn't look like it is delayed to me though. Like it looks like a actual like sync. Like the delay, are you saying like a 0.1 second or like a 1 second delay? Yeah, like I'm looking at my phone and it looks fine though. I don't know, like how many seconds are you talking about here? Like 1 second? I don't know, it seems fine to me. Like maybe like a 0.1 seconds, then it's yeah. Or should you like try and refresh the page or something? I don't know if that will work. But it doesn't seem to be like an issue here though. How about I watch it here? Let me look at it here. Wait, what? I can't even play it? What? Okay, I don't know if this is fixed. Okay, let me see. This is fixed. Let me see. I think there's a small delay, but it's like I don't know, man. It doesn't feel like very noticeable. It's like because I'm piping it through a virtual camera here on OBS, which might be why that's the case. And on YouTube might be more accurate here. Let me see why that's the case. And on YouTube might be more accurate here. Let me see why that's the case. Honestly, I think it's the same, man. Like I don't know, it might be like the virtual camera that's piping it through, then it might be like a very small delay on there, because I need to stream 1080p to Twitch and Kick. And that's nothing I can do about that, because the way it's being done on Melt Studio here, there's nothing I can do about that. Because I have to record my videos in 4K and I can't be recording it in 1080p because my stream is in 1080p. So yeah, man, like let me see what's the current. In fact, this is I usually will quadruple stream to like X, YouTube, Twitch, and Kick. And now I already dropped X. So right now it's only 3 streams. And in fact, I was streaming on TikTok just now as well. Like we had 5 streams ongoing at once. It's only 372 meg upload. Wait, is that upload or download? It's usually faster though. I swear it's usually faster than that. Wait, it's actually very slow today. It's usually way faster than 340 meg, man. Yeah, that could be why. But I still don't really see like what's the reason for that, because if it is a stream, then all of the output will be just streamed directly, right? That will be like the computer processing issue then, because the video output doesn't, the video and the audio output will be together in the stream, isn't it? I don't think that will be affecting like the delay? Could you help me check YouTube if it is the same for you? Like on... Let me drop you the link. Is it the same on YouTube? If it is the same, then it's like, I think it's just the source problem. But I've always been watching my own replays on YouTube as well. I don't see that issue. But it might be just this stream as well because we were freezing just now as well. Okay. I have completed the copy over. So I'm going to open from D drive instead. Alright. What? Is it like... It means the source is from here then. I don't know. It could be like... Or it could be like the camera issue maybe. I don't know. I've been watching my replays and stuff. It looks fine to me. So I'll watch this replay again later and see if there's any issue. But because I'm doing my camera through a cable, a USB-C cable, and that might be causing the delay or something. But I think it's already quite accurate though. Like from what I see, the movements and in like the preview that I see here, it seems very... It's not even delayed already. I don't know. I don't know if there's any way I can adjust this. Yeah, that's why. I don't think that will be an issue as well. I remember there was like a setting for like delay or something. Let me see. What was the setting? It could be like the audio processing as well, I'm not sure. But like it's my mic is directly piped into the audio interface. So I thought that will be immediate as well. Oh, someone says that it fixes it after restarting the app. Oh, okay. Okay. There is a setting to adjust the delay. Let me just do that. Wait. Wait, what? Wait, if I increase it to like 500 milliseconds, does this like make any difference actually? Like the audio is slower now. But you said that the video was faster, right? Wait. The video is faster. Is the... Oh, it was initially the video that has the delay. Now it's the voice, is that? Okay, let me just... There's still a delay, is it? I mean, I already adjust the audio, man, so... Yeah, it's fine, man. Thanks a lot. See ya, man. Yeah. I'll check again later, the replay. I don't know if we can resume like the... Yeah, let me see if TikTok has granted me access to that yet. I don't know if you can see like the history from like a different folder because this is a completely different folder. Yeah. Ignore directory. Is this actually the thing? What? It was just a suggestion, I guess. Man. Is there any way we can do this? If I check the device, the users folder, all of the conversations should be there. And okay, so I just rename it all to D then this should fix the issue. Alright, this should fix the issue. Okay. Continue. Alright. And then let me just open back this as well. But I need to install first because okay, let's install first. This shouldn't affect the main computer anymore, and it should work fine now because it's on a different drive. Okay. One valid go live day this month. What does that even mean? Okay, I guess I'll check this tomorrow then. But definitely doing like installations and stuff will take a lot longer because it's on a hard drive instead of a SSD. But like it's better than like the whole system freezing because of that. Huh? The folders are still there though. The codecs and the plot folder in the root structure is still there though. Can you just fix that? Okay, I think it should manage to figure that out. I don't know why my cursor is like lagging on this screen, but not on the other ones. The fuck? Now it's fine. What? The root structure folder is still there though, the codecs and plot one. Let me just update the goal as well, since it's doing its thing. Okay. It is still there though, what? It's literally still here, I don't understand. Wait, it's doing it in a different folder now. I have switched like the entire folder into the D drive, so can you check the D drive folder instead? Like it's no longer in C drive anymore. That was the reason why. What about the other changes? It wasn't carried over into this version here in the D drive actually, I think. Oh, so it's just metadata then. Okay. What? Okay. Wait, why does it still have the C drive git here? What? Okay, it's done. So let me just continue that. Yeah. Wait, what? Did it manage to install this one, by the way? Wait, why is it failing though? How do I fix this then? How do I even fix this? Something to do with the linking and stuff. Continue. This shouldn't have any issues anymore. Continue. Okay. We're good. I don't think it will freeze anymore. What? We remove all the line dividers and the readme and adding a new skill also. Like we don't need that, man. Like, and the platform differences, we don't need that as well. Like it's just the installation and everything can already, and like the folder structure of I mean, we already have that, like whatever skills is available. Okay, the other skill I wanted to make was the ultimate. Okay, how about I commit this first? And does Codex not have a plugin ecosystem? They do have it. Can you please add in the skills sh installation command as well? And remove the M dashes, by the way. And skills sh is skills.sh. Can you look up skills sh on how to set up the installation for that? It's the skills CLI. Holy fuck. I accidentally copied that. Wait, what? Okay. Biversell. CLI Biversell. Actually, I should enable the... because it's not catching my end. My end messages. Yeah. Wait, it's already enabled. Okay. And then... I want another agent. Another skill. For... why is it all like that, man? It's not even correct. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let's commit that. And then I'm gonna make the next skill. Can you make a new skill based on the ultimate vibe coding setup? And what I want is this one. We need a basis of we need this to run in either Codex or Claude. So this, I don't know, depend on where you run this at. If it is the local user dev machine, then you need to ask them to set up the VPS and provision a server for this. You can detect that. And then if it is already on a server, then can you help them set up better T-Stack, GitHub CLI, AWS or Hetzner or OVH CLI to provision more servers, or use the current. You have to ask the user whether to use the current one as the root machine to do that, or that's just an orchestrator to make more servers. Because this skill is to make the deployment of to develop and deploy very easily, which is everything already included in the tech stack with like Dogploy and Wrangler, the CLIs as well. All of them has CLIs. And yeah, let me know if there's anything else I need to clarify. Something to do with like this. Ah, okay. I also want other skills as well. Why not we just do it in parallel? Maybe I should just copy over the links of the whatever we have in that video that I made. Then that will be way easier than like having it guess like what we are saying. How did yesterday's video have like 1,000 views and nobody even converted, man? Let's truncate it. Wait, what? Wait, what? You can ask them which one they want to set up. Make it as intuitive as possible. Like allow them to decide what provider they want to use, which hosting tool they want to use as well. Then you set it up for them. How about I provide this video as a... This is the video I made for the reference, and I thought this would be useful as a skill and having orchestrate everything without using the video as an instruction. Like, I think this would be very useful as a skill. Okay. And the other skill I want, can you make a skill based on whatever like the ship skill so far to look for edge cases, to handle all edge cases and do a thorough testing as well? I think that will be important to have as a skill to handle all edge cases. And maybe, I don't know, should we integrate this into like the main ship skill as well to handle as another step to handle all edge cases? Or should we separate it? I'm not sure. I think we should merge it, man. Should we make it as a separate skill and also on top of that, integrate it into ship as well so that we have two separate skills for this? I think that would be good. I don't know if we should abstract the ship skill into like a multiple different as well as like a simpler version of this. With like just literally just a plan and implement and verify. That's it. Can you make another skill based on the ship skill, like a simpler version of it that's a toned down version of whatever it's doing? I think what it's required is just explore, plan, implement, verify. That's it. Like the other ones are meant for the ship. So this one will be a simplified version of it as a new skill. So I don't know. We can call it like ship simple or something. I don't know. Okay. The other skill I wanted was an end-to-end testing skill. Can you make a skill for doing end-to-end testing? Can you make a skill for legal data compliance and basically what I'm trying to do is have useful skills for actually deploying apps and stuff. And a lot of people don't cover these kind of things like compliance with different countries and stuff. So you have to interview the user where the app will be hosted, the data, the servers, everything, do a detailed interview so that you can generate like a data compliance, I don't know, like a data processing, what is that called? The data processing services, the list, or like the terms and conditions, the privacy policy, GDPR, all those legal things as a skill. Okay. And the other one is the hardening skill. Okay. Can you make a skill for hardening self-hosted servers? So I don't know, we just call it hardening or something. It's there's a lot of steps to it, but I can't remember. I remember I made this skill before, but to harden it, we have to change the default port of SSH to not 22. And we need to disable password login. We need to use SSH keys. And for EC2, we need to, I think it's like AWS Lightsail. We need to make sure that we can still, because the Lightsail portal uses like port 22 to by default to log in. So if once you change the port, you need to make sure that you can still authenticate via the port is still open within the UFW firewall, so that it can still be accessed outside of port 22, because it's not that port anymore. And you have to close all unused ports, analyze whatever is running and close all unused ports, and install the unattended updates one and fail to ban. And I can't remember what else we used to harden already. Don't run as root as well. And you can have a step further as well to allow them to authenticate. Maybe check if there's an AWS CLI, or you can check my other skill based on the... You can check my other skill based on the Vibe skill. That one has some context as to the AWS, the Hetzner, OVH CLIs. You can maybe add a step there to check whether those are authenticated, or whatever hosting. You can ask them what hosting provider they're using, and then we can authenticate the CLIs as well and install the CLIs whichever is needed. If it is available, then we can do that. And then we can set up the firewall there from there as well, or they can set it up manually if it's up to them. Like the provider level firewall, and then we have a UFW firewall at the server level. And I can't remember what else of the... I can't remember what other hardening things are there. I forgot. Okay, I want another skill with like the favicons and stuff. I don't know if there's any way we can do that. Can you make a new skill for icon generator? So on desktop apps like Tori is actually... There's a command for it. I forgot what was it. I think it's Tori icon or something. Generate it for them. Make sure the logo or whatever you need is already there. Ask them to specify where the logo is at, and then help them generate the favicons as well, and set it up for them. I don't know if there's any way for you to do it. You might need to use Chrome, the computer use MCP or something. I don't know how you can do this, but there's another one for PWA as well, which is this link here. And for native export apps, I think there's a command for it as well. I'm not sure. I forgot what's the command for generating the icons on mobile. Is there anything else we need to use to harden? I forgot what else, man. Singapore one as well, please. PDPA. And I don't know what other countries have like their policies and stuff. And maybe you can have a compliance with like the App Store guidelines as well. I don't know, like I don't know. I think the App Store guidelines one, we should have it as a separate skill to check whether it's eligible to against the App Store and the Play Store, the latest guidelines out there. I think that one can be a different skill. I think these are important things. And I haven't seen any like skills covering these yet. Security audit. That's pretty insane though. Oh, these are like super hardened. I think those are too much. I think the high impact ones you mentioned are too much, man. I think those are, you should ask. Those are, I don't know, are those like platforms or what? Or should we ask I think for those you should ask the user whether they want to install or not. And the medium one, I'm not sure, man. I remember there was a free antivirus for like Linux or something, but I can't remember what it's called. I think the login banners is good to have, and you can ask them. That one can be included by default. The other ones, I'm not sure, man. I really just want the most critical one. I don't want to overdo it as well. What was it called, man? Ah, Clam AV. Clam AV, that's the free one. I think this skill should automatically by default ask them whatever they want to set up instead, and then with like the appropriate warnings and stuff to like make sure everything is fine so that they don't get locked out with like some things here and there. If they don't have like SSH keys or what, they're still using passwords, so you have to consider every edge case as well. And all of this, we should let them use we use the interview skill, interview what they need first, and then based on what they selected, only implement those. I think this is a way better approach then. Okay. It's all in Claude, man. Okay. The rest, let me just look at it, and then I'll refine it from there. So let me just handle this as well, to make it into here as well. I think this one requires the Claude, man. Does the Claude plugin, the marketplace plugin marketplace require that .claude, or can we use like a custom folder like skills instead, so that we don't replicate it in like multiple places? Like currently it's all in Claude, but I want to use the standard skills sh, the Vercel CLI, the skill CLI for handling the skills with like different folders, and for each skill using the skill MD standard, as compared to like the Claude one. I don't know if it's possible to do that. Can you make a skill where the user pastes in any YouTube link and you can turn that YouTube video into a skill? That will be genuinely useful. I thought of this as well, and I don't know what else we can do for this. So Lighthouse optimization skill. Can we make a lighthouse optimization skill for like websites? And then another SEO optimization skill as well. Can you make a SEO optimization skill? There was a website for that. I can't remember what was it called. I think it was Claude SEO. Yeah, this one is already good enough, honestly. But like, yeah, this one. Can you make a agent search optimization skill using the Cloudflare, the one they used recently? They came out with it recently. Yeah, it's this one. And then I can't remember the other one. Combine this as well. I think this one is useful as well. Is it agent ready? That one is already the tool, man. It's by Cloudflare. I can't remember what was the other one that I used for SEO optimization. Okay. Okay. Yeah, sure. I think we should do a symbolic link then. Can you do it for all the new skills as well for me? Okay, these are genuinely useful skills, but I need to look at it one by one to make sure it's fine. Okay. Can you come up with ideas of like whatever useful skills are there? Because these are the ones that I don't find outside have. Of like all these very useful things that to actually ship an app. Can you help me come up with some more ideas? Don't do anything first. Let me see the ideas that you have. I wonder what else are we missing here. I think I have a lot more, but I can't remember. I didn't write down those. So these are the ones I remember and written down. I'm not sure if it's up. Okay. Okay, it's up. Let me download the latest update, then I'll do a video on it. A quick one, I guess. Okay. Should prompt like a... Yeah. Let me close that. Okay, okay. Okay. Clean reinstall. Okay. Payments. Okay. Can you look at their documentation and their code to make a new skill on the better T stack to set everything up, let the user decide whatever they want from using the interview tool and set up better T stack and wherever they want to set it up at as well. Migration, okay. A wait list, yeah. I mean, these are important to have, but then it's like not exactly. I think like all those, just set it up yourself. I think this one will address it as well. Load testing, I think that's important as well. Observability, analytics. I think all these are good, man. I think all these are good, but I don't want to make it into, I don't know, like the main one. Maybe put it in like a different folder instead and put it under skills folder, the root level skills folder, under a new folder called like a subfolder called others. Like these are not the main ones. I think they're good, but I think they're not like exactly what we have here. So I think they're still good. But I want to put it under others, then we have like the different subfolders for like the different skills. I mean, I have to test all of this out to see if it works or not also. So, I wouldn't be making a video on this yet, so I'll just leave it as it is. Can you use multiple sub-agents to do this faster? No, I'm saying skills, the root level skills, not .clot skills. There's a skills folder in the root level, man. It really likes to add into Claude, man. I thought a a easy way to like do reinforcement, sort of like that reinforcement learning, but using like markdown skills will be useful as well. And it's kind of similar to the Andrea Kapati, that skill on like the, what was that? Can you make a new skill to reflect on the current conversation? And once this skill is invoked, it will look at the current conversation and the past. Okay, only the current conversation. And look at whatever it's being repeated and whatever to avoid, and then update. Look at whatever agent we are right now. If it is a Claude agent, then you will update Claude MD to reflect that. And if it is a Codex agent, then it will be Agent MD, I think. I think it's Codex MD or Agent is MD. I forgot. And we can have a different skill that will look at all previous past conversations based on what is the current agent that we're using. Like for example, Claude, we'll look at all past conversations, like giving it a mirror to look at itself to see where to improve, and then edit to update only on the current project to do the same thing to update Claude MD. And then another way, which is maybe, I don't know, maybe like a new skill. There's a higher level one that we actually make new skills out of it. I think that will be the third one. I don't know, man. I feel like we might be overdoing this. My initial thought was the only one I needed was the ship MD. I think that's good enough, and we might make a actual repo out of it. That might be the most valuable skill there. Actually, we might just do that. I don't know if we can do m.md inside or not. Can we do that? Okay. You can actually do that. Okay. Ship MD. That's the only one that I need, honestly. All these are like extra things that I thought of, but I won't be testing it yet. I think the easiest one to test is really Ship MD for now. Okay. I have made another repo on GitHub already called shipmd, and what I want is that to be dedicated to whatever we have for shipmd in here, and the readme will be just purely on the shipmd whatever it is. I think it's a very good skill to have, and I want to separate it into a different one. So, and then we can have a backlink back to the current repository as well in like the bottom, the footer or something in the readme. I think that will be useful. So I think you need to git clone into the D drive/code into a new folder so that we can port over whatever we have for shipmd and ship simple. And then we have a simple, very simple readme to make it as simple as possible and lean as possible, minimal. Yeah. Okay. I still don't exactly know what we're going to record, but I think we'll just quickly do it. Okay. I'll just quickly record a video on this one that I've been building. And on this as well, and the repo as well. Okay. All right. Is it in landscape? Nah. Luckily I checked. Holy shit. Okay. All right. So I've been building an app. So for the past 2 weeks, I've been building a thumbnail maker on stream. If you haven't catch that, you can catch my live stream replays as well and look forward to my next few streams. I've been streaming every day, so you can look forward to my streams every day from 2 to 5 p.m. Singapore time. And I sometimes stream way longer than that. So I've been building a thumbnail maker for YouTube, and this is a desktop app that's completely self-hosted. You bring your own keys and everything. There is a one-time payment, and then that's about it. And so this is the entire and it's completely open source as well. So why not we? So how about we take a look at what I've built so far? So it's completely open source. I will leave the links in the list. So it's completely open source. I will leave the links in the description as well. You can find the repo here, and we have already 139 commits. I've done a lot on this already, and I'm pretty proud of where we went, where we have come. If you looked at my first stream where I actually showcased this, it's so much different from whatever we have now. And if you caught my previous video on the cloud design one, and I think I did 2 videos on that, and this is what I got out of it after like fine-tuning it in React and Tailwind, because after I ported it handover from Cloud Design to Cloud Code, it will just use the HTML instead of like actually using Tailwind and React. I don't know what's up with that, but I fully converted it into Tailwind and using React. So this is all using shared CN components, using the cards, the buttons as well. It's pretty clean, but definitely there's still a lot of things I need to clean up here, but it's already in a very usable state. And you can get a download link as well if you put in your email here, and we'll send you the download link for that. So this is the thumbnail maker, and maybe I can make it smaller, I guess. So this is the thumbnail maker, and the first thing you see is just the gallery here. And I did so much optimizations to this that it's pretty insane. How about I go through the modding as well? I'm pretty proud of this. Like, this is so clean. I like how clean this is. And when you just boot it up the first time, it will check for updates first. Make sure you are on the latest version, and you can set up the theme as well. It's so clean. I really like the cut here, like in the middle. It's called a frame, I think, and it's quite a recent trend that people are doing like this frame style, and the recent design trend has been going this direction. So I really like how clean it is, and some settings as well. And these ones, I really need to clean up all of this. I feel like this one is fine. It's completely offline, by the way, and we have so many useful features here that I'll show later. And this one is, I really hate the gradient, man. The gradient is so ugly here. Okay, this one is fine. It's just the gradient again. I really don't know what we can replace with like the gradient. I think the editor mockup is fine here, and this one is fine as well. It's a gradient again, but it's not exactly like a 1-to-1 replica as well. But then again, it's like animated and looping, infinitely looping visualization. So it's not too bad. Not too bad. This one again is the gradient, man. I really don't know what we can put. Maybe some unsplash images. And then you can add in your own Gemini API key from AI Studio. So once you get that, you can set it up. And what it will do is allow you to remix images and stuff, which I'll just show later. And you can plug in your own YouTube API key as well, which will allow you to search for thumbnails out there, trending videos, and use their thumbnails to remix into your own version as well. And the background removal engine, actually the open source version has a Briar AI version of it, but the paid version doesn't have it because it's not for commercial use. So this is the production version, so we don't have that enabled, and it's already built in. So, and some analytics as well, which you can disable from here. And I added this like user jot feedback widget here. It's pretty cool. So if you just have any feedback like ideas or any bugs, you can just submit it here and it will be in our website. You can find it on, I think I'll link it somewhere. But this button is always in the settings of the bottom right. And then you can enter your license and then that'll be it. So I did so much effort in just the gallery page alone with like the different view modes and stuff, and the thumbnail rendering of the current canvas state. And this is like a a mix between Photoshop and Canva, like an in between, and then this is like a one-time payment kind of thing, and it's open source as well. If you like, you can just modify it as you wish and use it and see whatever features you want to add. You can modify it as to how you want it to be. So this alone has virtualization done in it. So even if you have like a million thumbnails, you can see like it kind of like lags a bit when you like scroll. Okay, it doesn't. I think it already loads everything. But definitely this already has virtualization. So even if you have like a million thumbnails, it wouldn't lag at all. And it has infinity scroll. So it'll just load more as the more you scroll. And we have like different folders as well. And like with this alone, you can like click on an empty space, or you can click on the select here to go into like the select mode. Like this looks like the iOS when you hold a app to rearrange. So we can select like multiple, and then we can edit to like folders and stuff. We can export multiple at once, or we can archive it. And we can do a bulk edit as well with like auto renaming using Gemini, your Gemini key using the flashlight model, or removing background of everything at once. Or this one is using Gemini to add a colored background. So once you remove the background, it looks something like this. And it's completely local as well. It's using a local model to do the background removal. So let me set up the API keys. Hey man, I'm just recording a video, so this will be tonight's long form content, but I just need to set up the API keys and stuff so that I can show it. Oh my god. I think it's bugged. I think. Holy shit, man. Yeah. Okay, we gotta scrap this video then. I think it wasn't that good either, so I'm gonna do something else instead. Let me do another different content instead. Maybe you can do the ship MD one actually. I think that's good enough already. Once we ship that, I think that will be good. Okay. The one I was showing earlier is actually a thumbnail maker that I've been building on stream for like the past 2 weeks. So what I've been doing today is actually making skills. And so far, it looks like okay. Once I have the skills I have is here, and maybe I'll just commit it actually. Can you see what else is missing? Is there anything else missing? And can you rename the Cloudflare one into ASO instead? Just ASO.md. And then once done, you can commit and push. What's code ship? Okay, I didn't expect it to be bugged, man. Holy shit. And the other one is, I think I have it open somewhere else or something. Or is it here? No, it wasn't here, man. It was, oh my god, I closed it. Okay. It's under ship.md. I don't know if this exists or not, honestly. I think it might exist already. Yeah, it doesn't exist. But I think someone bought the domain or something. That's why it's taking so long to load. Otherwise, it will have resolved quite fast. Okay. It's actually missing the skills SH installation guide and the Cloud Code plugin as well. Can you do the same for whatever we have here with like the installation and stuff for the ShipMD one? The way we did the Cloud MD, the Cloud plugin marketplace here is using symbolic links. Okay. It should be way better. I don't know. Should we change the description to something else? Like, I don't think the Cloud Code skills for shipping software with confidence doesn't make any sense. I think we should just say like, this is a fully featured pipeline for making sure anything, any feature implemented or any bug fixes is actually fully seen through end to end. Or should we say like something end to end shipping or something like that? I don't know, man. The end to end workflow, the end to end skill for shipping features or something like that. Or it's like the oh my god. I kind of like the end to end, so I don't know. We should say something like the end to end workflow skill to the skill to ship features end to end without any gaps or something like that. I don't know, man. Okay. This one is still doing something. Okay, this still is correct. Did this still oh, okay. Okay. Once this is done, then we can record the video for that as well. End to end, no gaps. Ship features fully featured. Okay. I don't know, like should we include like saying making use of the recent commands like batch go, built-in Claude features wrapped into a skill? I think that's more accurate. If you look at the skills itself, we are using like a bunch of wrapped stuff like the model opens plan, all those are like built in already to do this. So it's like a kind of like a wrapper skill kind of thing. Okay, I can close this. This one as well. Okay. Can you symbolic link into the plot skills folder as well? Like how the other ones are doing it in the others folder inside of plot skills. Okay, it's pushed. So why did it have to add this, man? The end-to-end skill for shipping features without the gaps. 9 phases from interview to final verify reps Cloud codes, built-in batch goal and model commands into single quality gated pipeline. The skills full phase, streamlined phase, where commands are already clear. I think the simple one should be framed as a quick implementation, like not a fully featured thing. I think that's should be how it should be phrased. It's not exactly the requirements like that. That's technically one part of it, but then it's like for simple features and that doesn't require like a full-fledged like security simplify the entire pipeline. Where is the skills SH, man? Where is the skills SH? It's literally in the readme of this one. Why have you not copied it over, man? Like this one has it and you never implemented it into like the other one. But like you should update the repository to be the correct one instead. Okay. Can you update the readme as well to include all of the new skills that we have added so far, all of it into the table of the readme, everything that you added, as well as all of the other skills as well that's missing. Maybe I can make like a context skill as well. To use context 7, to use open source. I think that will be useful as well. That might be useful. And then we can add in update night as well for the context one. Does the skill not use /model opus plan? Like that was like the thought that I had for like the planning phase. But like I don't know, man. I don't know if I should even do a video on this because I haven't exactly tested it as well. I think we'll just leave it as it is and we'll look at this again next week and we'll try it on something and to make sure that it's actually working. I think we'll remove like the install sh, man. Yeah, I think it's fine. Can you make a new context skill that uses open source and context 7, like help them set them up? Like this context is very useful to, I don't know what else I use for context actually. Like the interview tool is good for context as well, exploration as well. What else is good for context? I don't know. The dev 3000 might be useful. Dev 3000 agentation. And then there's other ones as well. React Doctor or something. React Doctor. There's a lot more that we can give context to. Expect. Wait, what? I didn't know it was so little. They had way more than this, man. What's that Twitter, man? What's that Twitter called? Ah, by Aiden. Okay. React review. Not this one. I remember they had so many. Why can I not find it anymore? Okay, let me just plug this in first. I think you should ask the user which one to install actually. Like as using the interview the interview tool. Using the interview tool. The fuck? Is it really just React Doctor? I'm so confused. They had so many more. React Grab. Oh my god. The other one was React Grab. Well, what was the other one then? React Grab. And the other ones were Expect, React Grab. React Scan, that's another one. I think that's it, actually. That's the one I was missing. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. What should I record for the long form video, man? But everything is still in progress, man. Like, this thing is still ongoing and we still have the backstage bugged. Update night is fucked as well. It's... oh my god. Okay. I don't know if we can run it or not. I thought we could like do one of the videos, but then again, it's like nothing is working. So if I open a new terminal, it should work, right? I think we can do a quick video on the drop drawer one that I did. I think we can do this. But it'll be a very quick video, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. What was it called? There was a component for this. What was it called, man? Oh my god. Stars. Drawer. Credenza. There was a different version of this though. There was another version of this, but I can't remember what was it. Is it even in here? Credenza. No, man. Means that catalog is not that useful then. What was the other one called, man? I remember there was another one for the drawer. Yeah, I think I'll just go with this. Alright. So last year I made a shard CN So last year I made a shard CN component as well, and it's called drop drawer, and I posted on Reddit, and it has gotten 24,000 views with 124 upvotes on Reddit. So why not show you how? So let's take a look. What is it? So let's take a look what this component is all about. So I built this component called drop drawer, and it basically automatically converts any drop downs on desktop into a drawer on mobile. That's basically it. But like the engineering for this to work is pretty insane. And this is pretty cool though. I got inspiration from threads on the UI here, and it just basically, if you just use this component, it will just automatically adapt it on mobile devices into this drawer here with like all the options here. And this was last year where I got 24,000 views. That converted into 201 stars today. And this is, I honestly think this is very useful because it looks very native on mobile here like that. If we go into the website here, so on desktop, it's actually like that. But on mobile, if you open it, it'll be a drawer. It looks so native, way more native than using a drop down like this. Imagine seeing this in like a native mobile app or something. It doesn't look native at all. And with like the sub menus and stuff, all these are like basically supported out of the box as well. You just need to replace. So if we go here, you can see the submenus, and then this one has multiple submenus here. It's so good, man. And you can simply just drop. It's basically a drop-in replacement for the drop-in for the ShadTN UI's drop-down menu component. You just have to install the component through my registry here, and it will automatically just work out of the box. And I got inspiration from this component called Credenza, which pretty much does similar thing, but it's for a different component. So on desktop, it's a dialog, but if we go into mobile, it's actually a drawer. It's technically the same thing, but then I took it one step further by supporting it for drop-down menus as well. I've always thought that drop-down menus weren't native on mobile devices, and I rarely see any drop-down menus. So on Threads itself, on mobile is actually on Threads, it's actually this interface, which is where I got the interface inspiration from, and it works on light mode as well. So this is a pretty cool component that I built last year, and basically you just do a Control H, replace all of the drop-down menus into drop drawers, and it will just automatically work out of the box. So let me know if you are going to use this in one of your future projects, I guess. If you are building like a web app that's being wrapped into a mobile framework where you're reusing the code of your website into a native app instead. And let me know what you think. And definitely give it a star as well so that more people can see this. And it's so good, man. I really like how it looks on mobile. Okay. I'm just gonna leave it as that. That will be the long form content for today. Let me just put this in here. So I'll just end the stream here. It's already 6. And I'll just leave it at here. I'll continue again next Monday. And I remember there was a different component for like the Credenza one, but I just forgot what was it called. Someone made like a similar one. But okay, I'll just leave it at here, and I'll see you again next week at the same time.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight, and we'll fly. Yeah.
So last year I made a shared CN. Here I made 24,000 views. 24,000 views. So last year I made a shared CN component as well. So last year I made a shared CN component as well, and it's called Drop Drawer, and I posted on Reddit, and it has gotten component as well, and it's called Drop Drawer. So last posted on Reddit, and it had So last year I made a shared CN component as well, and it's called Drop Drawer, and I posted on Reddit, and it has gotten 24,000 views with 124 upvotes on Reddit. So why not show you how? So let's take a look. What is it? So let's take with 124 upvotes on Reddit. So let's take a look what this is about. So let's take a look on Reddit. So let's take a look what this component is all about. So I built this component called Drop Drawer, and it basically automatically converts any drop downs on desktop into a drawer on mobile. That's basically it. But like the engineering for this to work is here, and it will, which is where I got it.
Right now I'm living in a daydream. It won't leave my